Delicious deep-fried potato could soon be coming to a vending machine near you, if a project currently being trialed in the Netherlands is successful. The Netherlands-based startup Caenator has designed and implemented, with help from startup assistance company Start Life and Wageningen University and Research Center, a vending machine that dispenses fresh fries. The first batch of fries was served by the machine on the Wageningen University campus on September 2 to Professor Louise Fresco, president of the Wageningen UR Executive Board, paying a single euro $1.11 for a large serving. The machine is fully automatic, with a 32-inch color touch screen on which the customer can place their fries order, with optional mayonnaise, curry sauce, or ketchup. Salt and a fork are supplied in a separate box. The fries are then deep fried in the machine at a temperature of over 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, taking a total of just 110 seconds. These are then dispensed in a paper cup, with a proprietary dispenser designed specially so that the fries don't get broken or crushed. The entire operation, the company claims, is noiseless and odorless, the latter thanks to a proprietary odor scrubbing system.